Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, senator representing Kogi Central, has alleged that Senate President Akpabio repeatedly threw suggestive and rude comments away. Akpoti-Uduaghan was suspended from the Senate on March 6, 2025 for gross misconduct and unruly behavior over a sitting arrangement altercation with the Senate President. A suspension came a day after she submitted a sexual harassment petition against Akpabio on the floor of the Senate. In an interview with BBC, Akpoti-Uduaghan restated that the gross misconduct premise for suspension was a smokescreen to silence her. She said Akpabio frequently made sexual advances towards her in and out of the Senate chamber, and sometimes before other senators. She alleged that Akpabio would squeeze her hands in a suggestive way.
There was a time I forgot to wear my ring. I rushed to work, forgetting to wear my ring. And there were about 5 senators there, and he was, "Oh, Natasha, you're not wearing your ring. Is this an invitation to treat?" And then there was another time he made a statement like, "Natasha, your husband is really enjoying. It looks like you'll be able to make good movements with your waist."
So the Senate President said this?
He says that, yeah, he makes such sexist statement, and then they all laugh.
When the Senate President allegedly made this comment to you, there were other senators present?
Yeah. They said, "In the Senate, we're all men. She should be used to this."
How did the other senators respond to that?
Just laugh.
Akpoti-Uduaghan broke down in tears when the interviewer asked her what impact her victim shaming and intimidation claims have had on her. She, however, added that the positive for her is that some female parliamentarians from across Africa have been ringing her up to encourage her, and to say they face similar sexually charged, male-dominated environments in their respective parliaments. While these new revelations by Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan has generated mixed reactions, we will continue to supply you more news updates about this developing story. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.